Good afternoon. How are you? How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Uttarakhand. Nice to meet you. I'm from Odisha. Have you heard about Odisha? Yeah, you are right. You are right. Then you know everything about Odisha, right? Have you been Odisha before? Okay. You heard about Odisha, right? And you have read from books about Odisha, right? Oh, and thank you so much to know about Odisha. And tell me, are you student or are you working? Okay, which field are you studying? Oh my goodness, are you studying in 12th standard, right? Okay, which stream are you studying? Science, arts, commerce, arts. Okay, what is your means subject? Okay, okay. Are you studying in your state or are you studying in different state in India? Okay, okay, you are studying in Dehradun. Okay, are you studying at home, means nearest from your home, or are you studying in any hostel? Okay, you have home there. Okay, so nice. How many siblings do you have? Okay, he is a elder than you, or he is a younger than? Okay, what does he do? Wow, means he's preparing for need and he wants to be a doctor, right? Wow, so nice. And all the best for his better future. Okay, and I'm a homemaker. I'm a language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm here and I'm using this platform. Yeah, yeah. And of course, yeah, yeah, you know very well in Malkangiri, Raigada. Right, right, right. Thank you, thank you. You know everything in Odisha, and so pleasure to know about. Yeah, you are right. Then you tell me, since when did you start your learning journey in English? Because you are a good speaker. Have you studied in English medium or have you studying in vernacular? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got your point. Right, right. As a Indian, right? Or CBSE student or ICSE student? Or CBSE. Because inside the school, no one can speak in English because India has a languages country, all state have different language. Then we interact with anyone in our mother tongue, right? Then we don't get any kind of atmosphere to interact with anyone in English, right? Yeah, that's the reason. But we have to create English speaking atmosphere around us, right? In this modern era, technology era. Even though you see 30 years ago, people they didn't have any kind of internet, but they can speak good English better than us, right? But we have so many atmosphere. We connect with online, we connect with offline people, right? and we get a atmosphere to interact with anyone in English, but we could not speak good English like them, right? Of course, definitely. I speak good English. Right, right. Because we people always think if I make mistake while interacting with others, then what they feel about us, right? Because we don't yeah, we don't lose our dignity in front of them. We don't lose our self-esteem in front of them. We always like our dignity and self-esteem, right? And we always think we are well-educated people. If I make mistakes in front of them, then what they think about me, right? In this kind of language, we are inside with us. That's why we don't want to interact with them. Only we always think if I become a fluent speaker, good speaker, and if I want to be an accomplice in English language, that's when I started speaking with others. But that time never comes in front of us, right? Then we have to speak with anyone in English. That is only one technique. Otherwise, well educated people also they can't speak good English like a uneducated people. Uneducated people they can speak good English, even though if you go to Delhi, Mumbai, that beggar, that tourist guider, they can speak good English apart from well educated people, because they got a atmosphere in there. They always interact with the foreigner and tourist people, right? Then they can always interact with them, because we can't learn all state languages, but we can learn English language, right, easily. Because I can't learn your mother tongue, you can't learn my mother tongue, but we can learn in English language easily, because we are studying since childhood in English, right? That is it is easy for us. But illiterate people, they only listen and they can speak. They can't read, they can't write, right? But they can speak good English because they got the atmosphere around them. But we don't have atmosphere, because well educated people what they think, they don't have atmosphere because they can't interact with anyone, right? But illiterate people, if they meet any people, if they see that person is not a local people, and that person is not my state, they don't belong to my state, they immediately interact with them, they ask their introduction, they want to help them, right? But well educated people, they always think that person is a stranger for me, and how can I interact with them, how can I ask them? They don't want to talk, don't want to interact with them. But illiterate people always they make a friendly atmosphere with anyone. But well educated people, they don't create friendly atmosphere with anyone, they always treat them as a stranger, right? That's why we never get chance to interact with anyone in English, and we never talk with anyone in English, means around us. That is also so many region, right? So many, we face so many region, and we have a so many region. That's why we can't speak good English, and we are struggling to speak good English because of so many region and language phobia, right? This kind of, then that's why we are depend in this kind of free platform to interact with anyone. Whatever you are telling, whatever you told about yourself, it is doesn't matter, right? But we are one thing, we all are language learner. You want to enhance your English speaking, that's why you are using this platform. I am also language learner, that's why I am using this platform, right? Then it is a good for us, because I don't know your mother tongue and you don't know my mother tongue, but still we are interacting each other, still we are talking each, because of English. And English is a one type of bridge, right? it is communicate one person to different person. And English is a you can say business language, right? English is a global language. English is a international language. Before it was international, but right now it is a global language. At least as a Indian, we should know 2 to 3 languages as a Indian, right? India is a languages country, and all states have different languages. And when we study, that's when also we study 3 languages, right? Mother tongue, Hindi, and English. Then at least we add 2 languages within a 3 languages, right? And this kind of we are means enhance the language, it is a better for us. And language learning is a good exercise in our brain, right? Then it is a in our brain.